Hi everyone, I am from Wellness at Healing Touch. Today I am going to talk about the animal spirit guides. Animal spirit guides are the way of God is helping through nature. One is back flower remedies, which I'm going to talk in my coming videos, and the other is animal spirits. We can call them at any time for any kind of help. We just need to meditate, look at the picture, and just call them, please come and help me in this and this situation. And they are really, really helpful in all of the situation. So today I'm going to talk about money, financial problems. So to how to get abundance in your life, in money issues, solve all your money issues and be happy. Another way of using the animal spirit guide is to take the picture of the animal which you really want that help. Take that picture and put it under your pillow, and that animal spirit guide will start healing your problems. One more method of you can use animal spirit guide is to whatever animal you think that you are taking, you want that help, you want them to help you. You just have to write their name in the notebook 21 times with the not your dominant hand. Like if you are your dominant hand is right, you can write in a notebook with the left hand, and if your dominant hand is left, you can write in the notebook with right hand. So today we are talking about the money success. The first animal spirit guide which we are talking about is the kingfisher. When you want money, you can call kingfisher, especially during the last week of the month when you worry about providing for the family, or during school season, college admission. Call upon the kingfisher to manage your financial requirements. To overcome any financial worries, kingfisher will really, really help in a very great way. If you have financial worries, you just have to meditate on kingfisher, look at the picture of the kingfisher and ask them to help you out in this present situation. You can also write 21 times in your notebook. If you are right-handed, you can write with the left hand, or if your dominant hand is left hand, you can write with the right hand. And your all the financial worry is going to solve with this very, very good animal guide, which is kingfisher. My next animal spirit guide is crane. When you think that your income is insufficient, you have lack of money, then you can meditate on crane and you will get money as much as you need. Crane is also for abundance. So you can paste the picture of crane in the southwest corner, facing north in the house, so that you will not have feeling of lack in the house. That is, there will not be shortage of fund. If you meditate on crane, you will never ever have a shortage of funds. While meditating of crane, one has to shift his attitude to attitude of gratitude. Like we have to say, thank you crane for giving me all the abundance, for not having problems in my life, for taking care of all my problems. So crane will always give money. So you can always think about the past where you had sufficient money and keep thanking of all those good events that have been taken place in your life. Next is kangaroo. So it is really, really good for business progress. When you believe in lack and you do not believe in abundance, when you always worry about the finance in your business, the kangaroo will come and help you out. You need to meditate on kangaroo and look at the picture of kangaroo, or you just keep the picture of kangaroo in your office, business office. To make the business progress by leaps and bounds, kangaroo will a great help in your business. Next is squirrel. When there is too much worry, when there is too much financial worries, even though you have money in your hands, then you can call squirrel. And when you need to cut down unwanted expenses, or your money is over by the 10th of the month, you need money for the whole month, you can call upon a squirrel. You just have to meditate on the squirrel and ask her, please come and help me out in this situation. Please, divine squirrel, please come and help me in this situation. And you will help in no time. For wise investment, when we don't know how to invest and the company where we have invested will not do well, to handle all of them, call upon squirrel. Next is crocodile. Crocodile is for when you want to cheat, you don't want someone to cheat you and you feel cheated. Then you can use the crocodile picture. If you have crocodile picture with nobody can manipulate or cheat you. Many come for a donation in your office or home to get the donation. If you have a crocodile picture, then person who are not genuine will not come to you for a donation. So here I'm done with how you solve all your money problems with Animal Spirits Guide. I'm going to make more videos on animal spirits. Please keep watching and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.